Hello everyone, Stan here from Stan's Garage, bringing you everything you need to know for effective business IT management. Well, the holidays are here. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And these final days of the year can also be quite hectic. So whether it's buying gifts online or booking online travel, even wanting to give to charity, we all put in some serious internet time during this holiday season. And unfortunately, it's also a hacker's favorite time of the year to take advantage of you.
Merry Christmas.
Now don't fret, there is still time to fight back and protect your personal information from those who would do you harm. The team and I put together some security tips for you to implement during this online buying season. The National Retail Federation reports that 73% of consumers intend to make a purchase during the holiday season using their smartphone or tablet. Follow these simple cybersecurity tips and best practices before doing any more online shopping. Number one, maintain a clean device. Make sure that any devices you connect to the internet, like PCs, smartphones, and tablets, are free from malware and threats by running the most recent versions of software, web browsers, and other programs before you pick out that perfect gift. Number two, use secure Wi-Fi. That means stop online shopping while sitting in a Starbucks, for example, right? That free Wi-Fi and caffeine is great and all, but it can be really handy to use that Wi-Fi as a convenience, right? A coffee shop, restaurant, or whatever. But it's not particularly secure for online shopping. These places are the number one place hackers go to pry your information. Now, places like Starbucks, the big boys, they secure their Wi-Fi pretty well, so you're fairly safe. But, you know, I'd still say avoid it if you can. You could use a VPN, it'll give you some protection. You can even use your phone as a hotspot, but use your own 5G connection. Next, you're gonna wanna secure that login. You know, all accounts should have lengthy, one-of-a-kind passwords, and multi-factor authentication should be used whenever possible. Password Manager, I've gone at length in previous videos about, will help maintain those complex and unique passwords, as well as multi-factor authentication. That will, of course, strengthen access to your accounts, and hackers are likely going to see that security. Even if they manage to get your password somewhere, they are not going to bother to go any further because they do not have your multi-factor codes. Again, I'll say it again, MFA is one of the best methods of securing your identity online. And then lastly, I want you to think about resisting the urge. Now, what I mean by that is if you see a deal online that's too good to be true, well, then it probably is, right? Regardless of how tempting some of those offers look, only buy from your reputable and well-known sellers. Stay away from stores whose websites you've never heard of. I mean, the real sketchy stuff. You'll know it when you see it. And that's about it. That was my simple guide that will help keep you protected from cyber criminals during the holiday season. And as always, you know, I'd love to hear what you think about all this. Do you have any tips or tricks for me that I might not have gone over? How do you stay safe online during the holiday? Let me know in the comments below. And if you need some help protecting your business from cyber threats this time of year or any other, feel free to schedule a call with me via the link in the show notes. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.